Hi Darklings, it's Victoria Lovelace here and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It's so nice to be back with another video and finally, you're gonna see what I have here. I have a package here from Dollskill and House of Widow. And if you guys might know, the House of Widow have released a brand new collection and they were very nice of sending it to me, so I'm gonna open it and I'm also gonna try it on. So you're gonna see I'm kind of excited what it is because it feels like it's forever since I did a haul or like kind of like an unboxing video. It was forever. So I'm very excited to see what Widow had come up with now. So let's open it. So we are gonna open it. And let's see what is hiding in here. So it just feels like this is like forever since I did this type of video. So finally, and what we can see, what we have here. Ooh, I see a lot of stuff that is hidden in this package here. So we are gonna look at the first item and we are gonna see what is in here. Ooh. House of Widow's new brand new collection, and I see something purple here and I also see something velvet, so I wonder what that can be. Ooh, I love purple. So let's open this. Wow! Ooh, look at this dress here. So pretty. Oh, look at this little, like, you see this little like cross detail here. Oh, you guys already know. I don't need to say it twice. I love velvet, you know. I love velvet. So it looks like this. So nice. And the funny thing, I just love those type of dresses. I actually have the black and actually the green one. So I'm kind of excited to also have the purple one in my little collection. So yay. So I'm gonna try this dress on, so you're gonna see it on. But first, we are gonna open and see what is in the rest in this package. So let's see here. Something here. What can this be? Ooh. Something lace, of course, as you guys can see here. Oh, this is a cute little lace top. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is so typical Widow too. Ooh, look at those arms. Ooh. This is so gorgeous. Look at those arms. So gorgeous. So it's a little like, kind of like, I think a little crop top. Lace crop top. So yes, as I say, I'm gonna try it on later, so you're gonna see how everything looks on. But first, we're gonna dig into this package and see what is in here. Ooh, I see something here. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, what a nice. I know it's a little bit hard to see what it is. I can barely see what it is right now. But look at this fabric is wonderful. Wow, amazing fabric. And look at it. It's very hard hard to see what it is. I guess I have to wear it, which I'm gonna do. And it's like kind of like a kimono. And look at this ones. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is just a gorgeous, so gorgeous. Well, it's a little bit hard to see right now, so we are, as I said, I'm gonna try it on, so you can understand like how it looks like on. Let's see what we have in here. I see something here. Let's open this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Wow. Look at those pants. Look at this lacing here. Wow. You can see it here. Wow. Ooh, so nice. Wow, those pants are so gorgeous. It's gonna look pretty with this kind of like the top and like the kimono thing. Yeah. So nice. I really like them. Wow. So we're gonna look and see if there's anything else in this little package. So, oh my god! They sent me this dress. I think I'm like, oh, I'm so happy right now. Wow. You see what it is. You know, this is like, has been kind of like a dream dress for like, it's actually not from the new collection, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's just, I have been dying over this dress actually for a while. Oh, look at this. Oh, and look at this one. Oh, it's so pretty. And look at this velvet. It's like the red velvet. It's like actually from the previous collection, from the vampire collection they had a few months ago. You guys probably saw I did a video, unboxing video for that one too. But then I saw they released this dress too, and I was like dying over it, and it's so pretty. And look at this, ooh, and they have this. You can see this little detail here. Is like ank cross. Oh, just love this. I just ooh. Oh, I'm gonna try this on too. Oh, look at this. Those details, the lace details here. Oh, just love it. Just love it. Wow. Wow. So we are gonna see if there's anything else hiding here in this package. I see something. I see something here. I wonder what this can be. Wow, I see something lace here. Let's see if there is anything else here. And I think that actually was it. And so we're gonna open this one. This one looks nice. There's something like lace thing here. So I'm gonna open it and see. Ooh. This is so nice. It's kind of like a harness thing, if you guys can see here. It looks like that. Yes, that's the back side, so you like tie it. Very pretty, awesome. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this, and this little cross here is just make it so much. This detail here, wow. Oh, so much nice things. Ooh, look at this guy. So that was everything in this packet from House of Widow and Dollskill. So right now I'm gonna try everything on, and I'm gonna show it to you guys how everything looks on. So hang on! So that was everything for this video, and if you like this video, I will be very happy if you could give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new videos that is coming. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!